In the previous video, I have explained you the need of identifying the ideal customer. Now, in this video, I am going to explain you about various collateral development. What are collaterals? Collaterals are nothing but materials that you are going to use in order to reach out to your ideal customers. What are various collaterals? One is, you might have seen this, a newspaper insert. If you know that in one specific area you have your target customers or the ideal customers, you can develop on A4 size, double side or one side uh, collateral, or you can even go for a A3 size, two-folded. So based on the need and based on the amount that we can spend, you can go for a very high quality one or a moderate quality one. So if you know that in one particular area your ideal customers are there, and you know newspapers are a good way to reach them, you can actually take this route. You can get the newspaper inserts printed. First, design. Design is very important. I'll talk about the elements of design a little later, but now I'll just quickly run through what are various types of collaterals. So one is the newspaper inserts. Once they get printed, you can take them to the, or you can give it to an agency where they can insert and then uh, get distributed. So the other one is a brochure. So whenever people come to your office, uh, come to your site, you can give a brochure. Brochure is nothing but a booklet neatly designed and printed and pinned, which will give a lot of information about your project. So the typical information would be the concept that you're trying to present, how you're different from others, how your project is different from others, and uh, how uh, how the floor plans are designed, how the overall layout is there, and various uh, nicely designed elements, graphical views, even before the project is realized. You know that we all can get a 3D graphics, all those 3D pictures. So this is an expensive one, this brochure, but it will give a lot of information and it will be very, very attractive as well. So that is a brochure. You can have a mini mini version of the brochure, because you may not want to give such a costly thing to each and everybody visiting your site. So you want to see if the customer, or if the prospect is a kind of, you feel confidence that yeah, this guy might turn or might buy with us, so then you can give that. You feel that no, this is not our customer, then you need not actually give the costly brochure. So that's about brochure, and you can give them the mini brochure. And you have a 3D videos or the explainer videos. Like how I am making this video, we can also make a video explaining our project. We can also include a 3D rendering, which means even before the building is ready, we can take them through a virtual tour, right? So that is a 3D virtual videos. So the other form right now, which is the latest technology, is a virtual reality. That means you have all the equipment needed for the people to actually imagine. They feel like they're entering their hall, they're entering their kitchen, their bedrooms. So they'll get that 3D experience. You see that 2D movies and 3D movies is a quite a lot of difference. The same way, so you can get a 3D movie kind of thing by using that virtual reality techniques. This you can actually, if they have the glasses and all, they can actually view it from their home, or when they come to the site, you can actually make them do this. And you have email templates which are ready, you have SMS templates which are ready. All of these, all these are called collaterals. Collaterals are nothing but information neatly designed, either in the printed form or in the online soft copy, so that can be distributed, that can be sent to your ideal customers. Got it? Okay. Now I told you, now I'll tell you an important point that we need to keep in mind when it is designing. So you just look at some ads, they're very attractive. The moment you see them, you want to know what it is. And you see some ads, you don't even care. So the design of the either newspaper insert or the brochure or the 3D graphic views, anything is very, very important. So the very first principle is it should attract the customer. The moment they say it, they should get attracted. And then it will generate some interest. And then they'll go into the details. So these elements are very important. It should attract initially and then raise some curiosity so that they'll go and read it completely. So this is just a direction for you, not a complete explainer video on this collateral development. You will have to go to internet, Google, and read books about it and gain a complete knowledge on this. Because when you are in the role of, when you have taken the responsibility of getting these collaterals developed for a project, you must understand everything. And the designer may not understand everything in detail. So you will have to give them the direction. Okay, I want it this way, and this kind of text is needed, this kind of content is needed, all that. So this video is just to give you a direction. Okay. So in the next video, we are going to look at, now we have already seen the first one, customer identification, collateral development. The next one is outreach. Outreach means, yes, now I know where my customers are. I know, or I have the material to show it to them or to send it to them, but how? So that's where I'll tell you about outreach. Okay.